Friday Entertainment presents The Chronicles of Ushbebe live in Warri, Yadadi 23.
Oh my God, we don't shut it down.
Warri Alpha area. Oh boy, person go play ball for stadium, they seize the ball. No matter, they will settle it later. Now, please, everything I'm about to say here, I just want to complain. If this is your first time of coming to Warri, please listen. I won't make apoko for now. Our guest not good. Shut up! Your mama not say you there here. Your mama not say you there here. Imagine I say, Warri girl, why you go fix eyelash, wear eyeglass, now wiper? It's funny. And you know the funniest thing? They can never compliment Warri girl. Una know. When you take her for Abuja, say, you're looking so beautiful. The girl will say, oh, thank you. Warri girl, you when they stay Iyara, Agbasa, Airport Road, Jakpa Road, Ekpa. They can't tell you, say, you are looking so beautiful. The thing where you go here will shock you. As you take her, say, you are looking so beautiful. What did you go here now? Not cost me. Oh. If you want to insult me, insult me. Warri guest, they're telling us, say, Osusu na court. I said I won't call judge now today. 5,000 to pack 200,000. And you know they work. You can't put us for pressure. And you know the funniest thing? I know that this is a family-friendly show. Please, you guys just try to understand what I want to say. Warri guest, for you to get there, it's easy and it's hard. For you to turn them on, very, very unromantic something. Warri girl, for you to turn Warri girl, you know they carry and go anywhere. Just bust bottle. Nah, you know what they say there? First daughter. So please, that's it. Now, for Warri, many things they happen. If you've been to Abuja, if you see where small picking Warri state and capital, for you to born, go you. Yeah, state and capital. Oh, mommy, I'm shy. The picking go wrong. Warri girl, Warri picking Warri state and capital. You know what they say, Yara, Agbasa, Igudu market. You hear something like state and capital, Abia, Umaya, Urobo, many wife, Isoko, stingy, Yoruba, dirty, Ijo fish, Shekiri, Waka Waka Bini, Asharo, open wish. Oh, Bob! Back to this Osusu thing. What is the problem with Osusu? Osusu woman at the airport. Why? Osusu woman at the airport. Why? Where they go? So please, I want you guys to enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you very much. My name is Tere Better Picking. God bless you.
Stop. Friday Entertainment presents The Chronicles of Ushbebe live in Warri, Yadadi 23.
Oh my God, we don't shut it down.